The final rule of exponents we're going to look at is raising a quotient to a negative power. In the event that you're raising a quotient to a negative power, the first thing you're actually going to do is take your quotient, x over y, being raised to this negative power, and apply the negative power rule. The negative power rule says to basically take what was negative and send it to the other side. So the x is actually going to go to the bottom, but at the same time, the y is actually going to go to the top. So what you're going to have is you're going to have the reverse situation raised to the positive power of a this time. Okay, so the x had to go to the bottom and the y had to go to the top, and you're raising to the positive a. Okay, and then you're just going to use rule number 6, which says you raise the y to the a and the x to the a, and you evaluate. Let's try. So 2/3 raised to the negative third power. The first thing we're going to do is take the negative exponent and get rid of it. So in order to do that, we need to take the 2 and send it to the bottom, and the 3 and send it to the top. So the 3 is now the top, the 2 is now the bottom, and what that does is it makes the negative exponent turn positive. So that's now positive third power. And then we have to use rule 6. And rule 6 says you raise the numerator to the third power, and you raise the denominator to the third power. Okay? 3 raised to the third power is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. And 2 raised to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And I don't believe this simplifies, so we can simply leave it as our final answer.